Gentos Go Crypto Investing in this another emergency update here as we have some more institutions trying to get involved in the XRP, the Ripple, and trying to mass adopt the coin as the market manipulators and the criminal gangsters that we've been speaking about for multiple years that have infiltrated the United States government, the Federal Reserve, and the world banking system in order to beat down and knock down the retail trader and investor, as well as walking away with all your fucking hard-earned money with setting plants like a BitBoy Crypto, paid promoters, fleece heisters and shysters, and snake oil salesmen and charlatans to try to give you misinformation, FOMO, and FUD. This is a non-paid, in-partisan, non-biased, not affected or affiliated with anybody. I am free to speak the truth and integrity, most importantly, with the education and information that you need to make the best decision that you can in this investment world. I am not a financial advisor. These are only my own personal opinions of the market. Bell notification, like the channel, subscribe, and share. Comment down below, most importantly, to help us push us through the YouTube sphere. Investment banker gets approval to enter the SEC versus Ripple case, and you must ask yourself, why would a investment banker be getting involved? Because the banking field and the criminal gangsters want to get their hands in on the XRP. They want to start using it for mass adoption. The ongoing legal tussle between Ripple and U.S. Security and Exchange Commission has taken a new turn as an investment banker has been granted approval by Judge Torres, the same judge that made the ruling about a month and a half ago, and about July 11th, to make an appearance. Judge allows investment banker to appear in XRP suit. Let me just go and put this on here. We're going to keep getting that annoying stuff. As per court filing, the approval is Andrew A. Kunska of Sydney Austin LLP, and he has been onboarded so to avoid the sensitive information ordered sealed by the court. Andrew Avenue, New York 10019, a member of the court in good standing, hereby respectfully enters an appearance for the investment banker in the above captioned action. Ripple has previously opposed a similar appearance by an investment banker from its law firm that sided with the SEC position. Concerns for the defendant. The move by Judge Torres is to ensure all parties receive the ruling in good faith following the July judgment. At the time, the court decided that Ripple XRP sale to retail investors via exchanges did not violate the SEC security laws. However, it is gearing up to appeal Ripple's victory on XRP classification. The SEC has been in its contingent that most cryptocurrencies in the market are securities and that it has power to regulate them. An appeal underscores the regulator's goal to clarify the crypto ecosystem under security laws. The outcome could set a precedent for other crypto assets, including Cardano, Solana, Polygon, which are in the crosshairs of the top American financial cop as investment contract, right? And then we got some other breaking news. Is an XRP spot ETF coming to the US soon? Bloomberg. Ripple has continued to reveal in the glow of the judge ruling in favor of crypto company that many use cases being touted for its native token XRP. The most recent use case surfaces in a spot XRP ETF in Bloomberg analysis. James Shayfart. It's always funny how they got these weird names. Has quickly weighed in on the possibility of this happening. How possible is an XRP spot ETF? Shayfarts, during an appearance on Tony Edwards' Thinking Crypto podcast, explained that XRP would need to be listed on a Chicago merchant exchange, a CME, before the SEC can approve a spot XRP ETF. The argument stems from the SEC requirement for a regulated market of a significant size in the underlying asset. Relative exchanges looking to list a spot Bitcoin ETF are in hopes of gaining approval, relying on the fact that CME Bitcoin futures, which happen to be regulated market, provide significant size to provide necessary data and insight for any spot market. Despite his remarks, Shayfart isn't so optimistic about a spot XRP ETF launching anytime as according to him, this isn't something he sees materializing in the foreseeable future. Little or no demand is a hindrance. However, there's reason to believe this uh, assumption may be outrightly correct. A certain figure suggests an increased demand in XRP, notably among institutional investors last month. As reported, XRP sale jumped significantly this year, with over 2.22 billion XRP sold since the beginning of the year. Furthermore, according to more recent reports, the token recorded an institutional inflow of 0.5 million 2 weeks ago. XRP Ledger is also going head-to-head with the foremost Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, and has recorded an increase in daily transactions since the beginning of August. The record has seen and surpassed market leader Ethereum in terms of daily transactions conducted on both networks, one step closer to mainstream institutional adoption. And that's what we're all looking forward to as the years go on. But in the short term, the bearish action continues, and you're bumping up ahead on the daily time frame on the 200-day moving average and the bottom part of this blue trade, or the 100-day moving average and the bottom part of this blue trading zone. The 100-day moving average is in blue. The bottom part of this blue trading zone is 57.9 cents, and you're trying to get a short-term bounce. You could see a relief rally up to this major upper resistance now that's been resistance for quite some time, that I would expect it to fall through and get rejected if it comes back and retests, say, the 61, 62 cents. I think it's going to get a rejection in that area, and your next stop is going to be the 200-day moving average, to where you could get a return rally up to the 57 cents to just get rejected, because I think all eyes point to the bottom part of where the move started, of the big part of the move, not from the cycle low so far, but from the big judge pump on July 11th. I think we're going to give away that 110% pump, and I think you have to come down here and clear this before you can get any kind of major bulls coming back in. I think you got to clear all the sellers out, and I think the price has a date with the 47 cents, and that would be a critical support level that you want to hold, because you got that critical, horrible, nasty 37 cents, the 31 cents, the 28 cents in the red VP volume indicator, that if you come back down this time and touch this, I don't believe you'd get a huge rally. I believe you would come down here, trade in here, and that would be signaling that you're going to break this and have capitulation. But that's for a different time and another discussion on a separate day. But right now, what I would look for in the XRP price to not get fleece heisted and shysted, and I'm just giving you the facts and the information that I believe you need, and that are being held and suppressed and hidden from you by the paid promoters, by the criminal gangsters, and the market manipulators. Most importantly, at 57 cents, if you break, you're coming straight down to this 47 cents, right? And that would be from the current price at the red dotted line. That would be a quick 23% flush. And from the time, if we go back and look at the video that we made 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago back here, and around or in the August 2nd time frame, we put that emergency video of a 32.69% flush correction, sell-off continuing, and that's exactly what's been happening as it slowly, orderly bleeds out, and there could be moments or days or hours away from a big 20 or 25% flush from a major level at 57 cents all the way down into that 47 cent level, right? And if we take a look at XDC, it continues to come down, and like I told you, XDC, the same as XLM, has this head and shoulders sort of topping reversal pattern. This is more of a conventional looking one, where you have your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. It's slanted or on an angular head and shoulders, and your targeted move is down here at 0.046 cents, or about 4.5 cents. And I think eventually this thing could break that after a violent up and down fashion. And you could get also too, I think you're going to give away all that most recent pump starting from here. And I think you have a date with the major support level at about 3.5 cents. But I told you there would be a better buying opportunity. You don't FOMO in, you don't FOMO out. You keep the course, you stay the course, you stay educated, and have that information that you need in order to make that trade and that long-term hold and hodl, and the better times to buy. Just like I told you for those several weeks about the last month, do not FOMO in on this. I made multiple emergency videos here, and I said there would be better buying opportunities. And already from its wick high to current price, you can buy 37.87% cheaper XLM. And I think you might actually give away this whole move from where that big pump started, that 1-day pump. Oh, this is XRP. The XLM is the same similar chart, except you're below that 13.5 cents. But it's the same thing. You had that slanted head and shoulders or angular head and shoulders right there. The targeted move is down here at 10.6 cents. And we told you not to FOMO in on this either, because I think now you've broken below this critical 13 cents after holding it once, holding it twice, had that strangled death look, and you've slipped through it now. And you've even come back up now and tried to back test that 13 cents. You failed the support and get it back above that 13 cents. Is confirming in a technical sense, a technical breakdown, which I believe your next major target is going to be down here at 10.5 cents. And we told you, just like the XRP when we were up here, we had a 30% crash coming, correction, sell-off, trading. 32.69% brings you down to the 10.6 cents level. And I think that's where you're on inroads next, and that's where you would need to get major buyers to show up, or you'd have a bigger fall and even more pain. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.